Hey guys, would you like to develop your own e-commerce store which is fully functional and beautiful in just a couple of hours without any technical knowledge? If your answer is yes, this course, Shopify Bootcamp, Build Online Business in 2 hours, is for you. So let's see what is the end result of this course. After completing this course, you will be able to develop this beautiful store. Yes, you are right. This sleek fashion garments store which provides an online buyer to search, browse and view unlimited products and their variants, add them into her shopping cart, check out and make payments through a credit card or PayPal account. Amazing, isn't it? But this is not the limit. Practically, you will be able to create an online store to sell any products or services after completing this course. So, who should attend this course? This course is equally beneficial for non-technical and technical people alike. If you know how to use email and Facebook, you are well equipped to enroll in this course. So how this course will proceed? With a step-by-step approach, you will learn how to configure your Shopify store, change look and feel of your store, adding products and building catalogs, configuring shipping rules, configuring online and offline payment methods, checkout and order processing, and much more. So let's join this practical course and start your online business today. See you in the course.